All right, it's been about a half hour. So we're gonna, if I got this angled right, and you can see this stuff I'm doing. Okay, we're gonna wipe off the lube, and we're gonna put the chain guard back on. So you just wipe some of this off, and this lube kind of helps you clean it too, because you can see. I hope you can see. I hope this camera's angled right. You can see there's still a little junk in there. But the only way to really clean this really good is to take it off and clean the hell out of it. But that's just too, unless you want to buy a bunch of master links every time you clean this. But even maybe once a year, if you did that, it really depends on how much you ride. Just clean it real good. I gotta buy some master links for this chain. I keep forgetting. Find out what kind of chain I got. So I just wipe a lot of this off, because if you don't, it's gonna get dirty real quick. I'm just kind of looking at the last one I wiped off. Because this I really don't want to miss. Make sure I get enough of this off. I got some new paper towels. There's a lot on that sprocket right there. And try to wipe it off the sprocket too. So I'm gonna leave some on. And that's from that's when I was washing it. I want to keep this out of the sun, man, or green algae will start growing in it. Hopefully there's none in it already. I guess there's a bunch right there too. If you do this at your storage shed, do it when the workers aren't there. Because sometimes they don't like you changing oil at your storage shed, because people make a mess sometimes. Real easy to make a mess. Oh, I'm not changing oil. I'm cleaning my chain. I forgot to say that in my oil video. I'm sorry. I got confused there. But I'm making a little mess, but that should clean up. But the other day when I changed my oil, I did. There's a little right there, and I had the pan there. There's a little right here too. I brought over here to pour it in my jugs to throw the oil out. A little bit got right there. That's not that big a deal. Because that looks like someone just leaked some oil. You can see it's on this chain, on the sprocket, on these teeth, gooped up. Now, if you're doing a lot of riding, you want to lube this probably at least once a month. If it's not that dirty, you might be able to just take it to the car wash and spray it off. And put some lube on it, then wipe the lube off. But if it's dirty, you're gonna want to scrub it, people. At least try to scrub it once every like 3 to 5 months. And if you're riding in the dirt, it's different. You're gonna probably want to spray it off. But we used to on our ATC, spray it off, wash them off every time we got done riding. But we didn't lube the chains when I was a kid. But my worldly fathers years later told me he used to lube them. I never seen him. But you probably don't gotta wash your motorcycle, you know, after every ride in the dirt. You don't want to probably wash it once or twice a week and lube it once or twice a week at least, because those get a real more dirty. And you can see the sprocket if the camera's showing. It's cooped up on the sprocket there, this lube. I guess I can get it down here too. I'll try to wipe off. Yeah, I gotta read how to check if your sprocket's still good. I don't even know how good this chain is, man. Since I'm just doing a little bit of riding, it's good enough for me now. So probably only got one more wipe and then this will be good for the chain. Just gotta put that guard back on. I gotta get rid of this can. I'm gonna run it over. Let it dry now. These e-bike chains are a lot easier to clean. I'm filming that next. But man, I wish I knew a lot more about. Yeah, it looks like I might have wiped this part off already, but we'll just wipe this again. It should be done. Or maybe I'll roll one more time because this is pretty wet down here. Of course, this is going to be wiped off more because the chain's going this way. So I guess I'm just wiping that a second time when it goes. But it's still a little wet down here, so I'm going to have to roll forward one more time. And you can see the sprocket, man. This lube's getting on that sprocket. So yeah, I like that. I can't really see in that sprocket in there. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to take this off and check it out. I think this is the only one I have to take off. And there's a... Man, I don't want to be messing up this clutch though that goes to it. I don't know if that clutch is easy to mess up or not. So yeah, I didn't get this part, but this might be the last one right here, I think. I'm gonna do one more, but I think that was it. But we'll find out. I'll roll it forward one more time. Yeah, that's it. Let me just roll one more time to make sure, but I'm pretty sure that, yeah, that's just, when it's rolling through here, it's probably, that sprocket's probably get some more on there, because it was piling up on this sprocket, that's why there's probably some more on it. But yeah, that looks like it, people. So it's just the sprockets getting some more on it. Oh, wait a minute, that's right, I'm only doing... Yeah, maybe I should do it again, I don't know. Because that's right, I can only really do... Since I did, no, that's it. It's just some more getting... Now I don't see no more on the sprocket.